Hello and welcome back to my channel. I came up with this simple, affordable, flirty date night look for moms and other women on the go. I made sure that I use affordable products, affordable brushes, and if you would like to see more, stay tuned. So I'm starting off this look exactly like I did my last look. I've got the primer. My face is cleansed and moisturized. I'm going in with my Too Faced Hangover Remedy Primer. Excuse me, RX Primer. Rubbing it in, super simple. With my foundation, I'm using my CoverFx. Again, that is like my perfect match. Using the Sephora sponge. I got this during the Christmas holiday, and it was a pack of 3. So that is the biggest, and then there were 2 more for $10. I thought it was pretty good. Just showing you how it actually blends. I don't think anything is better than my beauty blender. I am just partial, but at the same time, it still does a great job. After that, I am using my Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline. And for this look, this color is a lot lighter than I anticipated, but you'll see that it blends out very well. The coverage is legit, and I believe it only cost me like, it was either $11.99 or $7.99. I can't remember. But yeah, just put it on the high points of my face, under the eyes, of course, center of the forehead, nose, chin, whole 9. After that, you will see me using a Coastal Scents brush along with my Makeup Revolution baking powder in lace. I will show you a picture of the Coastal Scents brush set in a few, and it is a 22 brush set. It is a 22 brush set. I got it for $14.99 while it was on sale on the Coastal Scents website, and I love it, to be 100% honest. This is just a dual fiber brush that kind of looks like the kitty paw that they have at MAC. I don't know what it's called, sorry. Okay, so going in with the Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing talking too fast. Loose finishing powder. Going in once again with a dual fiber brush, still out of that Coastal Scents set. And dual fiber brushes are good for both powder and liquid products. I am just patting it all over my face to get the colors to blend, and then going in with a flat buffer brush or kabuki brush, depending on what you want to call it, and patting it through. Again, I use this technique in one of my older videos, so this is not new. This is new for me though, so I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible Matte Foundation in 800 with a fan brush. I see a lot of people doing that on YouTube, and I just figured I would try it. This is a brush set that I got from Morphe. The picture already showed up, and I believe it was only like $20-$30. It was a 15 brush set. Super affordable. And then of course this fluffy brush here, I just went with the 700 in the same Infallible Matte, and that's a Real Techniques brush. Again, just adding a little bit of color, chiseling that jawline. I went in with the dark shade first just to give me a solid contour, then went in with the softer shade to help blend everything in, and again going in with the buffer brush as a technique to kind of smooth out all the powders and make everything mesh and seem flawless. So this is what we have. Again, from that same Morphe brush set, just using a classic blush brush with a Wet n Wild blush. And this is just a coral blush. If you can find it from the dollar store, use it, whatever. But I got this also on a Wet n Wild sale for like $2.99. You've already seen me use this pencil brush here. This is the NYX Micro Brow. You've seen me do my brows a million and one times, and I'm pretty sure this is $6.99 from Ulta. At least when I got it, it was. So, boom. And this is an Espresso. Again, with my Ulta Beauty Clear Brow Gel. Again, if you want to know why I love this, check out my last video. And this is the ITSMYRAYERAYE eyeshadow palette. So right now I'm just going in between using Morphe brushes. That black brush is also a Morphe brush. That blue brush is from that Morphe set that I spoke to you all about before. The colors that I'm using from this It's My Ray Ray palette will be down below. And again, I love this palette because you have your eyeshadows, you have your contours in there, you have a mirror. It takes the place of like 5 products for me, and it was only $22 when I bought it, so absolute great deal. So long story short, what I've done so far is I have added my transition colors. I'm concentrating that kind of burgundy shade right on the outskirts just to give some, just to kind of contour my eyes, if that makes sense. Blending it, not concentrating that color just on the outside, and then blending it further into the crease only when I need to blend out my edges. So you're just going to see me go back and forth with all of this. And again, the colors will be down below. And again, with this same deal, I'm just going right on top of that kind of a burgundy shade, tapping, concentrating the colors, and then blending it out. Concentrating colors, blending it out. And this is I feel like there's a lot of things that you can do to kind of ease your makeup look, make things easy, make things affordable. There are certain things I personally feel like you cannot slack on. Me personally, my foundation, when it comes to colors and stuff like that, at least for me with my dry skin, I have not found a good foundation drugstore for dry skin. So I can't skip on complexion products. But brushes, yes. Eyeshadows in some cases, yes. As you can see, this It's My Ray Ray palette performs beautifully on the eyes. Okay, and then this is the Vegas Nay eyelashes. I absolutely love these. These are the Grand Glamour. And if you have seen my Dollar Tree challenge video, you will know where that brown pencil came from. I actually really like it on my brows, but I cleaned it off and decided to use it underneath my eyes. It wasn't working out as well as I would like, so I decided to go in with the black pencil that I got as well. Again, both pencils are $1. Setting it with the black eyeshadow from the It's My Ray Ray / BH Cosmetics palette. And moving on. Blending out that black with those transition colors that I've already used. And then I'm going to go straight into the hair tutorial. So that's just a mixture of some conditioner, water, and a little bit of oil that I like to use. I don't remember what's in there. It can't be trusted, honestly. I'm not even going to tell you about that. And again, any products that I use up here, I will list in the bottom bar. So I'm just adding moisture to my hair, working it in, getting it to be pliable, and just keep watching. Super duper simple. A lot of this is super self-explanatory, so that's why I'm being quiet over here. Like, smooth your edges, honey. Do the best you can. Make sure you moisturize them before you put a brush on there if you are natural. I can only speak from having black hair. So moisturize them before you put a brush on it so you're not popping your edges off, honey. Going in with some edge control from Oars. My edges do what they want to do, by the way. Sometimes they want to lay down and be perfect. Sometimes they don't. I think a part of knowing your hair, preserving your hair, and ensuring that you don't have any breakage is sometimes letting your hair do what it wants to do. Like, it did not want to lay down. My edges did not want to lay down. And guess what? I let them be, honey. I was still cute. Whatever. So just trying to do a half up, half down look. Put in a ponytail. Gonna grab a scrunchie and a few. Put it in a little bun. Once you do that, I was super unprepared and did not have any bobby pins. Grab you some bobby pins, secure your little bun. Make sure it's not flopping and flying all over the place. Make sure it's symmetrical. Doesn't have any little lumps in it or whatever. And go from there. Boom. And there you have it. Super simple, as you can see. And then we're going to move on. Again, trying to do my edges. They were fighting with me. I was like, you know what? We good, player. We are not going to worry about that. We're not. Bow. Okay. So I am giving you six lip options. And they'll pop up on the screen. Just enjoy. Hey, I'm back. So the reason I'm giving you 5 lip options is because not every girl wants something bold. So I'm giving you nude. I'm giving you romantic. I'm giving you a little bit of metallic. Not in the case for moms, you know what I'm saying? We like to be fly. We like to be beautiful. But at the same time, we don't always want to wear a red lip. We don't always want to wear a green lip. So I'm giving you beigey pinks. I'm giving you pink nudes. I'm giving you brown nudes. Coral nudes. So I really do hope you guys appreciate it. Oh, and I didn't say this in this video, but when you go from eye to lip and lip to eye, please make sure that you sharpen your pencil and put a little bit of alcohol on there so that you are disinfecting the pencil itself, because you do not want your mouth germs going into your eye and vice versa. But that was a black liner used, by the way. So I forgot to put on my highlights. So I'm going in with Rayediant and French Toast, mixing them, giving me a subtle Rayediant highlights. Boom, boom, boom. And there you have it, people. If you've made it to the end of the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know. I'm here for you. Until next time, be good, be smart, be safe. Deuces.